Hey guys, welcome back. So today I am showing 4 easy recipes for Christmas. All of these recipes took me less than 2 hours to make. So if you're interested in seeing how I make these, then just keep watching. So the first one is cranberry and pistachio bark. This was super easy and my husband has already ate almost all of it. I ended up making my bark a little bit thin, but I would definitely recommend mixing in the cranberries and the nuts. It just makes everything stick better together because I did have some stuff falling off when I was breaking it apart. The next recipe is peppermint Oreo balls. These turned out really good. They are very sweet, but they are still probably my favorite recipe that I made today. I did take all the filling out of each of the Oreos just because I don't have a food processor, so I knew it was going to be easier for me to crush up the Oreos in a bag without the filling in it. So if you do have a processor, don't even worry about this. Just stick the Oreos as is in the food processor and it will be just fine. I bought this cookie scoop at Walmart when I was there earlier today just to make things a little bit easier, make sure that all of the balls were the same size, and I will say that it did make things a lot easier. So if you have one, great. If not, you really need to pick one up because you can use it many different ways. This next recipe is Thin Mints. Jessica Braun actually showed this in her Vlogmas this year and last year, I think, but I really wanted to try it because I love the Girl Scout Thin Mints. The recipe actually calls for almond bark, but my Walmart was all out, so I went ahead and opted for the expensive chocolate chips, and these turned out really good too. I did struggle a little bit getting the Ritz crackers coated in the chocolate, but they taste really good. Next, I'm moving on to coating my Oreo balls in chocolate. I originally ordered a candy coating in my grocery order, but they did not have it, so they substituted me sugar-free white chocolate chips, and we all know that sugar-free chocolate is no good, so I tried them. It was awful. I had these chocolate chips from Great Value in my cabinet, so I tried to coat it with this, but the Great Value chocolate chips are just not good. So I ended up just spooning a little bit of chocolate on top of the Oreo balls and then topping the Oreo balls with candy canes. They taste good. They're already sweet enough, so they don't need all that chocolate, but you know, it just worked for me. This last recipe is what I'm calling Peppermint Blossoms. I wanted to try something different. I'm not a fan of peanut butter cookies, so I wanted to put a twist on them. So I'm using sugar cookies, and then I'm going to use peppermint candy cane Hershey Kisses. So here is what everything looks like after it was all said and done. If you guys make any of these recipes, please let me know down below. And if you're not already following me, go follow me on Instagram and tag me in your recipes. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please subscribe. Other than that, I'll see you in my next one. Merry Christmas, guys.